Founded in 1987, Prototek Manufacturing is a leading supplier of quick-turn precision sheet metal and machine products for the prototype market. Located in Kentucky, New Hampshire, just 13 miles west of Concord, our 40,000 square foot facility is designed for just-in-time manufacturing. With a wide range of raw materials on hand, we can produce parts in a single day when required. Prototek utilizes state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment to reduce costs, maintain the highest levels of quality, and meet customer demands. Serving industries such as robotics, semiconductor, telecommunications, military, pharmaceutical, medical, computer technologies, and aeronautics, Prototek Manufacturing offers stereolithography, 3D printing, machining, plating, painting, powder coating, silk screening, and assembly all under one roof to help save our customers time and money on their finished part requirements. Prototek Manufacturing has a team of 7 engineers that assist in research and development, as well as conceptual and component design. Our engineers work closely with customer counterparts to define the requirements and design assemblies and their components for economical manufacturing. These engineers complement our staff of estimators, who are also qualified to discuss product requirements. Prototek's goal is to assure our customers that the product they receive will meet their requirement for high quality at a fair price. Located at our 1,100 square foot laboratory, Prototek's stereolithography, or SLA process, and 3D printing operation offer the quickest turn times of any competing rapid prototyping method. Using the SLA process, we can manufacture prototypes in white resin with ABS qualities, or clear resin with polycarbonate-like properties, depending on the requirements of the application. With its slight flexibility, the white resin is perfect for snap-fit parts. The clear resin is more rigid and is used when opacity is crucial. Both resin types have a tolerance of approximately 0.02 of an inch, and build layers are between 1/1000 and 0.04 of an inch, depending on the resolution selected. SLA is perfect for high-complexity parts and has a build volume of 10 inches cubed. Our 3D color printer features 600 by 450 dot per inch resolution and a build volume of 10 by 14 by 8 inches. Layers are continuously printed at a thickness of approximately 0.04 of an inch. 3D printing is the best method of fabrication, allowing customers to see and handle their product in color before putting it into production in a fast and cost-effective manner. Prototek's SLA and 3D printing operation is focused on the rapid production of the highest quality parts. While most parts can be shipped out within 24 hours, we offer same-day shipping when required. Today, this family-owned and operated business has expanded into rapid production while remaining the premier supplier of prototype components. Our 5,000 square foot precision machining operation continues to expand. With 6 CNC machining centers, we can offer a lead time of 1.5 weeks, several days better than the industry standard. Our Filer comparator and Mitutoyo height gauge provide highly efficient inspection capabilities to ensure that all machined products meet quality guidelines. This inspection equipment interfaces directly with our computer system to compile inspection reports that are easily downloaded to common office applications for the convenience of our customers. Our multi-station punch press and 4,000-watt CNC laser run 24/7, resulting in faster turn times for our customers. Our highly qualified staff works relentlessly to ensure that parts flow through our manufacturing process quickly and efficiently. Each operation undergoes an in-process inspection to ensure adherence to specification. At Prototek, we have vertically integrated an anodizing and chromating system, powder coating and wet spray system, and a 3-stage iron phosphate washer to allow us full control over finish on quick-turn projects. Our plating room is row house compliant, the new standard for environmentally friendly chemicals. We start with a 3-stage phosphate wash, which is critical in the pretreatments of all metals. This rust prohibitor has great adhesive qualities that allows us to provide Class 1 parts. With over 20 years of experience, we are able to ensure that our processes deliver the highest level of quality. Our website offers a live chat module that customers can utilize to ask questions to our office and engineering staff during our normal business hours. Additionally, our customer service team is adept at answering any questions that our customers may have regarding ship dates, revision changes, and order status, assuring that they are satisfied every step of the way. Requests for quotations that are sent to fastquote@prototek.com or uploaded directly through one of our websites will receive a quote within 1 day. Prototek Manufacturing can work with many file formats, including DXF, STEP, IGES, PDF, Pro-E, SolidWorks, AutoCAD, and Inventor files. A daily production meeting provides a clear view of our manufacturing objectives and helps reinforce our quick-turn requirements. Our sophisticated scanning software system helps control raw material inventory, eliminates bottlenecks, and tracks jobs on the manufacturing floor. Our carefully chosen suppliers have been selected to meet our just-in-time requirements by delivering materials within a day for those rare items that we do not stock. Prototek manufactures and ships products throughout the United States, Canada, Mexico, and Puerto Rico according to customer requirements, while utilizing trucking companies that offer next-day shipping, less than truckload as well as full truckload deliveries. Prototek Manufacturing, the industry leader in rapid prototyping and production of fully machined precision sheet metal components, ready to serve you.